Hello my friends, in today's video we're gonna learn how you can change your language in Excel 365. The first thing you need to do is open Excel, and here at the left bottom there is an option called Options. You're gonna click here. In my case I have my Excel in English, so once this pop-up menu is open we are going to select option number 6, which is language, and these options are gonna appear. Here you can select the language that you want to display your Excel 365. In this case I'm gonna select Spanish. In case I would like to select another language that is not listed here, what I need to do is to select here add a language, and this pop-up menu is gonna be available for us to select the language we wanna select. In this case we can select from Bengali, Bosnian, Bulgarian, Chinese, Croatian, Filipino, Dutch, English from the United Kingdom, Netherlands. Whenever language we want to select is available here. In this case I'm gonna select Spanish. I'm gonna click here in set as preferred, and here for the keyboard settings I'm gonna select Spanish as well and click here on OK. This warning message, what is essentially saying is that we need to restart our office so the changes can take effect. We are gonna click here on OK. We are gonna close and open again our Excel, and as you can see now it's in Spanish. So this is how you can change your language in Office 365.